easy street. Why easy street? Hey everybody, come meet the Mojo team. I'm Negan, and everybody's good with that, cause we're on easy street. Dude, we're on easy street. I brought in a free pass day. For the record, Mojo is never having another free pass day. Today was the last one. Today was the last one. Look, rest in peace. Who do we have here today? We have Pro Trader Mike banned me. Mitch. He banned me also. Sean. Me too. Iron Aggie. He was right. We should have joined the Mojo. That was Alex 456. And they all got banned today on 6/16 of 2017. And they're never coming back. And I'm never having another free pass day. If you want to join MOJO Day Trading, folks, please, MOJODayTrading.com. No more free passes ever again. Thank you so much. It's a waste of my time, and it's a bigger waste of my traders' time, and I can't stand it. Yes, I sold dry ships. Woo, boys, they're taking it, huh? See? The boat, mister. See? Mentioned it right here. Said we're moving like I said, keep your mouth shut, dude. Mouth shut, homie. Pro Trader Mike. I run the MOJO Day Trading room, and I call out the picks. I also do the Swing Trade newsletter. And everything we do is legal, jegal, transparent. If you'd like to join, you can do it at MOJODayTrading.com. Otherwise, forget about it. Nice. Happy Father's Day to all. And I want everybody to take a look at this right now. Pro Trader Allen, who we talk about in our guys, look, he is real. He is a real person. He is a real person. I've known him since the end of 2012, early 2013. We haven't missed one day together. I haven't missed one day in the Mojo room. Neither has he. We've been trading every day together. So in the beginning, what happened was, it started in the end of 2012, and then for like 2 months, it was just a couple of us in the beginning. He sent me right there in the first 2 months I started. He's like, can you coach me and just show me everything that you know? I'm like, okay. I'm trading. You know, it's going to cost you. It's like, dude, I'll pay whatever you want. I'm like, all right, that's $2,000. So he paid me $2,000. And I coached him for a month. And then I grew to 5 more people wanted me to coach them. So I did it as a group and charged them all $2,000. And that's what started Mojo University in my program. That was in 2013. And every month I teach 30, 60 people. Let's say I average 50 a month, just for good math purposes. I times that by 12 months is 600 people, and that was in 2013, 14, 15, and 16. 1,200, 1,800, that's 2,400 people that have all gone through MOJO Day Trading that have paid me $2,000. Correct, folks? Hey, oh, we got a blinker. Rada. Blinked. No, I'm taking it off my screen. I put that on there because my competition picked Mosi, so I figured once they put a movement into it, I'd make money. Thanks, dudes. Hooked me up. XIII didn't do nothing though. Try. INFN, look at the move we did on this morning, folks. So I've taught 2,400 people that have been through the MOJO University program. Cool, huh? One's been with me for 5 years. Hasn't been that many. In 2013, more like in that year, more like 10 average. That year, and out of that year, I'd say those people that are still with me is probably still with me out of that year. In 2014, probably doubled it in size. 40 people that year. I'd say 40 are with me still. Then in 15, it was about the same. Another 40. And last year, doing the same. Now I'm going to take it to the next level. So that was the same, about another 40. That's pretty much correct. So I have about 20, 40, that's 60, 140. There's around 60 that are still with me right now. More than half. Great number. 2013, I probably have still. In 2014, I got 20 people from each year that have made it out of the group, which is a lot, big percentage of the group. Listen, if you're not going to chat on YouTube, I don't have to keep the chat in there, no problem. I have a lot of people watching on YouTube. I'm going to put up the Twitch instead. More people are active on the gaming community than they are. My competition does it when he has 500 people watching. How's that possible? And he's the boring, and they're the boringest people in the world. Okay, guys. Hey, Beam. Come on, UV, we got a green bar, add a little bit. Yo, guys. Yesterday we were in that HTGM. Took a toll, what a nightmare. Started the day off today, guys. Right here. Morning, AUPH. Got a mover. CXMD, 5-minute, double barrel, daily confirmation. Rail grind, 527, stop 520. 2.2 million. With a Marabuzu close, this could be a swing. double barrel. Be a swing if it closes Marabuzu right here. TXMD 1215. Got to close Marabuzu. The top bar right here. This is your risk. Here's your reward. Another bar up. So this is an easy play to say, look, I got 25 cents on downside, got $1 on the upside. That's my analysis. You like that Twitch, right? Oh, Twitch is good. Look at Twitch. A lot of gamers on Twitch, man. YouTube's cool too. Gamers are cool. So we got a risk reward right here on TXMD for $1 on the upside. 5 cents on the down. You think about it for a swing pick. Many swing picks, we can add one in. Got to close Marabuzu though. We'll see at the end of the day. Got 4 hours. Holy crap. Dudes, we got 4 hours, man. We've been here. Can you believe how long this is? Dude, I'm out of here in an hour. I'm going to play golf, doing some errands. After the show, I'm leaning my position. It wasn't a slow day, more like take out slow. Crazy. It's because of yesterday. Because of HTGM. I said it's like, dude, it's like we live in Beverly Hills now. We used to live in the junkie town. We used to live in Harlem. We used to live in the streets in the crack town, and we used to be crackheads. And we got over that. Went rehabilitated for 5 years. Got rid of that. Developed a great system. We've been making money. Now all of a sudden a car breaks down yesterday. HTGM in freaking Harlem, in Cracktown, and all the guys are like, dude, look, I want to give you some crack, and you're like, oh my gosh, I can't do that. I got to get away. I'm reliving my old shit, and thank gosh I got away because I'd still be there right now. This would still be me right here. I can't believe it. So as everybody that's in HTGM, I had a show yesterday where we bought it right here for a long. To buy, and I did the show, and everyone came in and shorted the pants off of it. And at 350 right here, I stopped out and took a loss. That I was done with it. Where in the past I would have been in it still, and it closed here. And now it opened again here. Does anybody know, I've taught it in MOJO University, I'll give you a mouse pad, what stock in my journal I knew, get out, what stock in my journal, I've taught it to you in MOJO University, and recently, did I know how to do this? People on YouTube should know also. How did I know to get out and move on? How? What stock was it that I journaled, that I knew? What stock? Similar to HTGM. Don't bother with journals. The account executor and screenshots. Oh, Masanthan, I know who you are. He's from the other chat room, folks. This guy. Misanthum. Oh, thank you, dude. Check this guy. He's my competitor. He just came into YouTube, guys. Look, my competitor. Let's see how classy he is. Because I'll reveal his site right here, Misanthum. I've been waiting for you, brother. There he is. And yeah, I've been waiting. There he is. Look, Misanthum, guys. See? This guy right here. I've been waiting for him. Look, don't bother with journals. Just show your account and executions. See him? Block him. Now I blocked him. And what happens when you block him? Now all his messages are deleted. But can you believe that? This is the guy that came in. He's my competitor. He has his own room. And he's like, come, let me see your shit. You weakling. I would never do that on my competitor. Unclassy. So if you're stuck in HTGM, guys, right here, what stock was it that was in my journal that I taught you? CCO and HTGM were shorted? What does that mean, Alex? I was on YouTube, but how do you know? I didn't mention anything about TCCO. How do you know they were shorted? It was trading TCCO. What room yesterday? You may have slipped up, my friend. I hope my competitor wasn't trading this yesterday, dude. If he was, you're in trouble. Yesterday was the 15th. Yo, Fonzie trader. Mr. Incredible. Still going. Long alert. Incredible. Fonzie trader. But if there was, boy. And let's see who shorted HTGM. These guys are stuck. All these guys are stuck in HTGM. Biggest scammers, right? Another scammer. Buy low, sell high. Look, I bought it here. He has a timestamp. No, HTGM obtained. Came out with a news alert. Now he's up 400% because he volume picking up on news. There you go. Verified $19 in HTGM. 1,000 into a million. There you go. I'm shorting it. Or is long something. What is it? Verified profit of $19.77. By profit after commission and taxes. That's not a profit. Here and I'll clip you. No rooms. Your room. Naked short alert. No. 2 million shorts today. This guy, Widow's son, short. Sold it at 50. TGM, no bounce off the regurgitation. Visited short cover this morning, Jose. Look, they have new cool things on little circles now. Little circles now they have. Trade with me. Oh, this guy's a notorious shorter. No shorts. He's a Matas. This guy, look, let me show you what happens when you're short. He's a good trader. I watch him. A lot of people follow him, but watch what happens. See? He does good trades. He made $1,300. Let's add it up. He made 13. I follow him. He lost 1,200. So he always posts his trades. That's why I like him. Then he lost 20,910. He's gonna take some time off from trading. Off today. Not even funny, man. Read everything wrong. He lost $20,000. He made 3,000. So now he's still negative 17. He made 1,600. Back to negative 819. He's still negative 19,000. He lost 19,770. Now he's negative 30. He's going to reduce his size now. Apparently liquidity is not there. He got crushed in MBOT. So he's down $40,000. Made 2,500. So he's 38,000. He's down 37. Down 34,000. 30,000. 31,000. May now, guys. Down $30,000. Down $34,000. 2,000. 5,000. Another 15,000. He's down 49,000. 4,000. 3,000. Still in May. He's another 7,000. 55. 63,000, and then you realize 3 is 50, down 50,000. I need to go. He made 4. He's down 40. Trader, man. Big loss in the TCC. You said it was shorted. There's your shorters right there, bro. Follow that guy. He gets a lot of action. Look at all his action on his tweets. Everyone. He loses. Shorts. Always shorting, dude. Always shorting. Always. They couldn't get any fills today. RKR couldn't get none of the shorts. He doesn't get his borrows. These guys are notorious for that. Nobody knows the stock that I picked. HTGM. That's what to you. I need at least 15 people from all over the streams to tell me how I knew to get out of it. This is something you learn in MOJO U that's priceless. In the next minute. You won't know. One. Time's up. What a freaking tease. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. What a tease at $12 and it doesn't have an O next to it. Oh my gosh. That's a signal from the heavens, homie. Signal from the heavens. The heavens are parting. The signal from the heaven above. It's a sign. It's fate. It's fate. TCYO. $12. Holy mama. Oh my gosh. $8. $12. $8. I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. Next time. Next time. That would have been a good learning lesson, boys. Woo, that would have been a good learning lesson to learn how I got out of HTGM. What did I do? What was the signal that triggered me from the past? And what happened to that stock with the same exact thing that happened to HTGM? So amazing. It's so unbelievably. Amazing. And it came right down to stopping station. Snap attacks move. Snap's going higher. I'll buy some Snap right here. New high of the day. Hi, Isaac. Leaving after these trades anyway, and after the. I guess is stock SSK one of the only stocks I've lost money in your fifth. Cool. Patek. What stocks have you made money on? What stocks have you made money on? You've only lost what you make on. It's going to be interesting. Wait for this one. Hey Patek, since your guess is SSKN, my pick, you have to mention that now. SSKN. When did you buy it? What did you lose? What was cost and sale? And what other ones did you do? Any winners? You can't come in and start a conversation and then leave. You can't do that. You can't start a conversation because then you'll have to be ended with the room. You can't start a conversation with me on my show. Conversation. Try to throw me under the bus. Live. Only a retard would do that. Under the bus live. Why? Explain. I'm listening. We're all listening. I guess I was guessing on the stock you were talking about. No, you mentioned this. My guess is stock SSKN. You wrote this. Is the only stock I have lost money in your picks. So my question to you is, when did you buy it? Number one. That's answer number one right now that you have. When did you buy SSKN? This may be your last conversation in the room, George. Because SSKN is not my swing pick. But you can continue. Show me where it is. SSKN. SSKN ain't on this sheet in June, not in May. Here it is in April. SSKN 3 to 350 made 15%, held it for 3 days, sold half. Then it went to 360, sold 3/4. Then also at CY, then it went to 393, made 29%, positions closed. That's when I traded SS. Stratiskin. Now you can answer me. That's when I bought it and I sold it. Oh, by the way, the last guy that did this to me, Pro Trader Rose, is no longer here. If you don't, he was with me since 2013. Rosie, you remember, guys? Rosie? Rosie's not here anymore because he did exactly what Pate did. Yeah. I don't know, it was a couple months ago. Well, no problem. Didn't lose much on the trade. I'm glad you had to bring it up today on the show. Now, what were the winners that you had, George? Because if you did that one, you had to do one that was like a winner. Felt it very necessary. What about Snap right now? Come on, baby. For 39. What about that one, Georgie? I win every day with you. I was just guessing. No. Which I didn't ask you that. What other winners have you picked in your swing that you've won on besides Stratiskin you're losing on? That you lost on? What other one? See, Alex. I'm banning George right now. This. He went through the courses too. Done. Access to that. And ain't no longer that. Ain't even got to roll. What's it gonna be, Georgie? You know me better than that. Alan, you there? We'll ask Alan what we should do. And if he says you're gone, dude, you're gone. 43 on Snap. Yeah, what you buy DCTH at? You're a bunch of bullshit, man. Now you can explain to me why you did that. I'm listening. basically what I was doing was I got up and I did a presentation to speak in front of a lot of people. And one of the guys in the audience said, you know what? Hey, Mike, remember when you went on the golf course and you bashed that guy with the golf club? Remember? Like, dude, what the fuck? You get the fuck out of here, dude. Hello? Oh, yeah, I can. Hello? Yes. Oh. Got a merchant cash advance yesterday. No, I don't remember that. No, who you? No, I speak to a lot of people all day long. No problem. I'm always interested in money. Got a good one. Pate, you're done, buddy. Pate, your membership's over, buddy. You ain't got no pro. No respect. Never do that to someone. I would say I'm sorry if I did. Sorry if I did, dude. Rodney. Respect, man. I tell you, I get no respect from nobody, and all I do is try to help them. My goddamn. You know what? It causes me to get into a little rage. This. I do. I come in like a wrecking ball. Very plain and simple. And I am the Hulk. And here I go. See ya, dude. See? Look. Look. Does the Hulk care right now? Look. No. 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 Everyone signs an agreement when they come into my room, 6 pages long, that you're here with your own volition, that you're not representing another room or sneakiness bullshit. And if you're disruptive or do anything like that to make Mojo look bad or you slander, your membership's completely over. There's no refunds. It's all written in the agreement. And if you go online and then complain after I kick you out, my attorneys will sue you for $75,000. You'll have a letter saying, look, if you don't remove what you've done in 1 day, we'll see you in court. Yeah. I've already served many of them, and they all work. Because the worst thing is this. Here's what happens. These punk kids come in and they lose money or show disrespect, and then they lose and they try to slander and crush me, and I hit them back legally. And it gets removed. Then they can't pay the court costs. They ignore it. They don't get an attorney. They don't get the court costs. It goes through the court process, and the court files lien on their name documented. Now, case is over. I didn't get my money because they're broke. But when they go to buy a home with their wife and they get married in 10 years, and the court pulls up a lien for $75,000, guess what? You ain't getting no house. You better pay the lien. What? I'll get paid in 10 years from now, buddy. Guess what? When you go to buy a car, you have a lien on your record. The car ain't happening. 58 on Snap, baby. Well, that's great. Now you can apologize and I'll accept it. Here we go. Selling 59. 5,000. Filling. Filling 59 partial fills. Live. You want to come see my account and my shit? Come to my house, sit right here next to me, I'll show you. Otherwise, leave me the fuck alone. Just gave you a freaking stock that's up 20 cents live. What the hell else do you need? Nobody else does that shit. They're all going over the stocks they did for the day. They front run the room and gave all their freaking moderators money. You do that shit. I'm the only one here, dudes. Done. Accepted. Warning to everyone else. Don't ever do it again. Pro Trader Rose is already gone. He was almost number 2. And as I'm leaving for the golf course to go play in a little bit, I wouldn't even think 1 minute about it. Do you know why? I'll show you why. Because right here, I've already said it 4 times today. I'm a DGF, MFH, SAS, SFT, HTM kicker. That means I don't give a fuck, because I'm a motherfucking hustler. Smart as shit. Feel and trust. I'm a humble trading machine, and I kick the market's ass every day. Jaja. Jaja, yeah. Oh, yeah, boy.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Well, yeah. Come on. Give me that. Yeah.
See what my traders did today. Nice demo. 26 up 105. Everybody else lost today. Trading. Demo 26 is in UV. Already made 140. You're down 85. Demo 13 is in 1,000 UV. Open 23 profit. Never traded it before. All right. Today. So guys, I'm never having a free day ever again. It's off my website. It's over. Never ever. If you want to come to Mojo, you'll pay. You get what you pay for with free. Easy Street. Rest in peace, Mitch and Sean. Iron Aggie and Alex. If you ever want to join, you can't because you're banned from the room. Banned from the room. Banned from the room. Let me go over a couple of the stocks we did today. Stock time on it, you know. All I do is show winners. Show the loser with HTGM. But the movement away from HTGM because of my journaling with my stock that you guys still don't know about is just the best. It is just the best. I wish I could tell you about it, but I can't. I'm not telling you want it. I could private message it to you. Oh, yeah. OCLR right here, some OC at 2. Remember that. OC, dry ships, got out of most INFN, see it at 1180 at the high. Ooh, we could that one, INFN. And UV 1048. CLSN through 3. UV moving. Be on time because the good trade. Always check your buying power, follow the volume, typing. after hitting your goals. Meaning, guys, I'm not on talking all day, but when I am, we're a group and we participate. And then I shut it off and we're done. XGTI, there's HTGN. It's 270. Right on stopping station with a firmness. See, this is an auto close right here of someone with 88,000 shares from yesterday. That up. Buy right now, but we'll wait till Monday. ADMP right here, we got that one. CLSN, we got that one. Did a couple of nice shows yesterday. There's CLSN 3-3. I don't know what Heinz number is. I think it's 52, close to 100 now. Actually, what I'm doing in July is I'm opening up an account, and I'm only going to do Heinz trades in the new account. Only. I'm going to have 100% win accuracy, and I'm going to do it for 2.2 years. That's what it's going to take me to do 1,000 of them. I mean the 10,000 challenge. I'm going to finish the 10,000 challenge. New account, only doing 5,220. I'll start the new one at like 5,200. Only going to have that trade in it. And I'll show it to everybody every single day. Show everyone the account. I'm going to have it linked up to every watching, guru, paying service. That account will be linked to the world. Everybody could see it. I'm doing it in July. Allen's won 645 days in a row. Pitch slapped this guy right here. We're in the room after kicking these guys out, and Isaac goes, "Did you guys make your goal?" First of all, it's none of I asked that. I asked that. You don't say things like that. You say things like, "Today was an amazing day trading these stocks. I'm glad I made this much money." It's none of your business, Isaac. None of your business. You're new to the room as well. Alan says yes, and he goes, "I bet." Now, that's a sarcastic bitch slap. Yeah, I bet you. Yeah, did you shoot under par today? Yeah, I shot 69. Yeah, I bet you did. That's a bullshit disrespect for a guy that's won 645. It's rude, and you get bitch slapped. Did you hear that, Isaac? I'm pissed when people do this shit. Yes, sorry, didn't mean it. Go to another room, guys. Doesn't happen in the Mojo room. And the people that watch this, the older guys, will respect it and want to be here. And the younger guys that are punks will be like, he's a schmuck. Good, go to the other rooms. There's 2,000 of them. And they all have Discord. And they all offer free chat. Go have fun. Accepted apology, done. I'm a DGF, MFH, SAS, SFT, HXTM, and I'll kick any other trader's ass in trading live. Let's go in July, my new account live. Let's go the whole month of July, live, day for day. My account versus your account. Started at 100,000. Let's go. Let's see how much you can grow it to. You let me know, challenge-wise. info@mojodaytrading.com. I'll fund it anywhere from 30,000 to 100,000. Each individual person, I will open up an account to challenge you for the money that you put in. I'll have 5 accounts running. They'll all do the same Heinz trade, same trades every day. I'll do it with anybody. That's the challenge. I could fund anywhere from 30,000 to 100 because you have to fund with 30, leave a 5,000 leeway. That's the deal. Anybody, challenges out there. Anybody. And winner takes all on the account at the end of the month. Meaning I beat you, I have your account. As soon as you go negative, you lose, you're done. No coming back. That's the deal. want my money? Let's go. Come and get it. Trade wars. You want my money? You want to see my shit? Let's go. Put up an account. I'll put up an account. We'll trade it. I'll do individual accounts across the board for whoever wants to challenge. And we'll do it live every day on the Mojo Show. Because I've done right now the most shows on YouTube for any single one. Look, videos. I have 267,000 views. All my views and none are paid. I haven't paid for one. My competition has, I have 2,000 subscribers. Thank you for getting me across 2,000. I've never done anything. That's it. Never done anything. My guys have millions of, they pay for all of my views. I can go on Google and spend $1,000 and my views would go to 367,000 for $1,000. If I spend $5 grand, by the end of next week, my views would be over 1 million. I'd have double the amount of subscribers if I spent $5,000 on Google to drive traffic and do all and watch those. And I'm doing that. What? For what? I don't need that. Video manager. Let's see how many videos I got. 970 videos. Pretty damn good. That's a lot of edutainment. You want to get educated about the market right there, buddy. For sure. Dudes, I'm giving a webinar. Oh, did you know that? I have 100 spots available. Let me see how many. I think I'm already packed. For Saturday night. Who's hanging out with the Moj on Saturday night, man? Anybody that's never been to my webinar before that wants to trade with me, Saturday night, let's go. Let me see how many spots I got left. Oh, I do have some spots left. I only got 51 registered right now. I got 49 spots to go, boys. I got 51 registered right now. I'm hanging out with 51 people Saturday night. Go, baby. Here's what we do. Easy. You just go to mojodaytrading.com. Let me show you. Really easy. Look, check it out. Mojo, M-O-J-O, Day, D-A-Y, Trading, T-R-A-D-I-G-E. Oh, that's me. That's me. Learn the 3 secrets on how traders are making $250,000, $1 million a year. Guys, I've made 10 millionaires. My competition's like, I finally got 2. After 5,000. Yeah. Great. I've got 10. You want to see them? Come to my webinar tomorrow night. Saturday night, tomorrow night, and I'll show you the secret that 10 millionaires have used to make millions in the market off my system on a daily basis. Half of them are with me, half of them are on their own doing it themselves, and I have just received over 6 thank yous from those people that are self-sufficient on their own doing Heinz all day long. Ketchup, ketchup, ketchup. They don't need no help opening up the ketchup. Right here. Register your spot now. In 1 day and 7 hours, it will begin. And click up top. Learn the 3 secrets right there. Click that go button, boys and girls, gals and guys, professionals and gamers. Mojo is going to empower you with some crazy great day trading information. How to trade high volume momentum stocks that go 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100% in a few hours. How to swing trade. The Ken Slim system, where I've built a proprietary knowledge base on 25 years of knowledge. I send out a Sunday newsletter before the week even starts. Everything that's going to happen during the week. Then everybody else that gets my newsletter on Sunday writes their newsletter with my picks and sends it out on Monday. That's how it works, folks. Because at 11 o'clock, I get 12 emails. Did you send out the newsletter yet? Did you send out the newsletter yet? No, relax, dude. I'm flagging you. What do you need it so bad for? Because you're waiting on your newsletter to put my damn picks in there. I know what goes on. I got the best system in the world. Look it up. William O'Neill and the Ken Slim, author of the Investor's Business Daily, the newspaper, the editor, and How to Make Money in Stocks. The guy's a guru from Magic Land. He's Oz, man. I built his system for 25 years on my own system. No one could mention that name in this industry but me, because it's mine and I was the first one to use it. If you do, you're copying it. Day trading, I don't look at charts. I'm not going to show you a chart pattern. I'm not going to show you a Fibonacci, a moving average. I'm not going to show you nothing, because a chart moves and then I already knew what happened 15 minutes before. So, dude, I'll check the engine, the oil, the tires, I'll kick it, rev the engine. That baby's ready to go. I'm in, I'm driving. Now the chart's happening. Boom, everyone's throwing money at me as you're buying on the chart. I'm taking profits and you're throwing money at me. And then as I exit off into my 3-bar long, you're like, oh, that was a great trade. I'm up a dime. It takes the biggest nosedive down on the biggest bar of risk, and you're a bag holder. And you probably got front run. That won't happen in the Mojo room. Let me show you tomorrow night, 8 p.m. We'll hang, we'll chill, hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, 3 hours. However long you're there, I'll be there. We'll hang out, we'll make money together, and then you'll implement, because when I'm done, you'll be able to rock and roll immediately. Pro Trader Mike, tomorrow night, woo! Saturday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Click go, click register, put your information in, and then what I do is I make a note on you.
MOJO Day Trading. This
Look, I make a note on you as soon as you put in your information, what kind of trader you are. So I have a note on you when you come into the webinar and I say hello. Boom, he said hello. Boom, here's his outcome goal. But we're working together immediately during the webinar. It's sick. Tomorrow night, 8 p.m. Don't forget Eastern Time. Be there or be square. Keep it profitable. See you tomorrow night. Like it. Dude, how's that? Oh yeah, TXMD was a great pick. Dude, how is that for a webinar intro? Ho! Think so, right? So Pro Trader Lewis is stepping away to hit 18 holes with his son, closing 2 positions for a small loss. Oh well, at least watched and learned some volume factors that influence the loss. Absolutely. Nice. We're in Snap was a great pick. TXMD was a great pick. Here. TXMD. Terramoxins. Here. Whole Foods and Amazon are doing good still. We watched that before with the Whole Foods. Bought out by Amazon. Amazing, isn't that? Amazon's. Dude, I had to do some slapping today. Had to do some good trading. Had to do a lot of good stuff, man. Everybody go enjoy their afternoon. Nice Friday. UNFI just Heinz 37 went fast. This one, but it's down $2. I wouldn't. See how quickly I saw that Mojo U? That's part of the new updated classes. So guys, I removed everything from Mojo University. This weekend I'm going to be working intensely on my new updated live course. On Tuesday, I will be launching live new Mojo Updated University that will be somewhat incredible. Priceless times 10. Everybody is invited to come back. Nobody will even fathom what I've done. No one will even fathom what I've done. And when I'm done doing it, holy crap. So until then, guys, Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable. Thank you. Hit the links and hit them straight.